Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at Decentraland Mana, currently ranked 46 on CoinMarketCap. Mana is trading around the $0.58 region to the $0.62 region. Mana is down bad in this bear market. Mana has currently lost 75.6% of its value in the last 1 year. If you take a look at the Mana US dollar price chart on a daily time frame, we'll be looking at Mana's 200 and 100 moving average. We have seen Mana trading above the 200 and 100 moving average since January of 2023. That's the first time we've had a sustained move above the 200 and 100-day moving average since when we started this bear market. Where's Gala heading to in the coming days and the coming months? The Altcoin season index is telling us we're heavily in Bitcoin season. Should we continue accumulating more Gala, getting ready for the eventual pump that we'll see to the upside when it comes to Altcoin season? We'll also be looking at Gala's performance against both Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at Gala's market cap. We're still trading below the $1.4 billion region we talked about in the previous video. When are we going to blast above $1.5 billion and probably head to the $2.5 billion region? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. But if you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, or chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Mana is currently down bad in this crypto bear market. Mana is down 75.5% on a yearly time frame. In the last 1 year, Mana has traded for as high as $2.76. Mana has also traded for as low as $0.28. With a market cap of $1 billion, Mana is ranked 46 on CoinMarketCap. If you take a look at the Mana US dollar price chart on a daily time frame, Mana is currently trading above its 100 and 200-day moving average, which is a very, very good sign. We've seen Mana done pretty well in this bear market. If you go back to what Mana has been doing since when we saw it pumping in the bull market, Mana has had the time of its life, pumping aggressively in the bull market, rallying up by more than 100x to the upside. We saw Mana go from as low as $0.013 level, rallying up to as high as $5.82, going up by more than 42,000% in 621 days. Right now, Mana is in second full crypto bear market, but Mana has been stuck below its 100 and 200-day moving average throughout the bear market. But we started 2023 on a very bright note. Mana surprised a lot of us, rallying aggressively from as low as a $0.28 level, pumping above its 200 and 100-day moving average, going up by more than 200% to the upside. Now we're deep in the bear market. There's no argument about that. How high can we go if we see Mana sustain a move above its 100 and 200-day moving average? The last time we saw Mana go below it and come back and sustain a move above it, that was in October of 2021. And that move to the upside was very, very aggressive for Mana. We saw it just rally up by more than 644% in around 33 days. So will history repeat itself? Where are key levels where Mana might rally to if we see that kind of quick pump to the upside? Since the bear market started fully for Mana, we first saw it try to trade above its 100-day moving average. We dumped to the 200-day moving average, we found support there, and we started perambulating from the 16th of January 2022 till we finally broke below the 100 and the 200 moving average in 2022 April. But after we broke below it, we've been trading below it, just briefly getting above the 100-day moving average in August of 2022. That rally we had in August saw us get above the 100-day moving average for around a week. Now, that might be the first level where we see Mana have some resistance if we start pumping to the upside. From where we're currently trading right now, Mana will have to rally up under 93% for us to get to that $1.12 level where we were trading in August of 2022. Now, Bitcoin, the king of the market, has been outperforming all coins since the turn of the year. Bitcoin has gone from $16,200 starting the year, has rallied to as high as $29,500. Bitcoin has gone up by 76%. Still expect Bitcoin to rally towards $30,000 But the capital in Bitcoin is going to flow into altcoins at some point in time in this market, and we have seen Bitcoin trade above that August 2022 price when it was trading for $25,000. If we see Mana join Bitcoin in the coming days and the coming weeks having a similar style move to the upside, Mana might head to that $1.12 level in no time. If we continue staying above the 200 and 100-day moving average, we might still see Mana continue pumping to higher prices, and where I believe this rally might start having some difficulties, where we might start dumping to Goblin Town when we see Mana rally to the $1.6 level. If we get that high from where Mana is trading right now, that will require Mana to pump by more than 182%. And even though we'll be happy to see Mana pump that high in the future, guys, that would mean Mana would have rallied from the $0.28 level. Mana would have gone up by more than 479%. That's a huge pump to the upside in the bear market. But remember, with altcoins, there's no guarantees. With altcoins, we can easily continue dumping to Goblin Town. But the last time we saw the altcoin season index tell us that this was a Bitcoin month and that was a good time to buy altcoins was in November of 2020. If you take a look at what Mana was doing in November of 2020, that was the best time to buy Mana before we start seeing this huge pump to the upside. Mana was trading around the $0.08 level. What happened to Mana after that? We saw Mana keep a sustained move above his 100 and 200-day moving average. We saw Mana in the next 150 days rally up by 1,700%. If you had held your Mana till the next 355 days, you would have seen more than a 6,400% pump to the upside. So right now, if we see that all-season move coming for Mana in the bear market, if we see the altcoin markets that are overperforming against Bitcoin in the next 1 month, and we still see greed in the cryptocurrency market, let's not be shocked to see Mana rallying to that $1.6 level. And best case scenario, that's the highest I see Mana going. That's if this rally is aggressive, Bitcoin is going towards $40,000+. Everybody shouting the bull market is back. Let's not get carried away. We might still face some heavy bear market resistance at the $2.5 level, and a lot of people might go and buy at that price point saying, you know what, in the bull market, if we can get to $5.8, and right now in the bear market we're around $1, if I buy right now, we'll have a 400% pump before we get to the new all-time highs, yada. While that can happen, in the grand scheme of things, guys, we're deep in the bear market, and in the bear market you want to accumulate, getting ready for the next bull run, because if you go on a 3-day time frame, you will see that Mana has been battling his 100 moving average on a 3-day time frame, and we have not been able to trade above that average since we went below it in April of 2022. And all the times we have been bullish, you see us trading above that average. So if you cannot go above the 100 moving average on a 3-day time frame, Gala might just continue dumping to Goblin Town. There's always that possibility. But if we see it's blasting above this moving average on a 3-day time frame, we might just see Gala in the coming days and the coming weeks head above $1. Let's take a look at some details about Mana. In the last 1 month, we saw Mana trading for as high as $0.67. Mana has also traded for as low as $0.48. With a market cap of over $1 billion, Mana is ranked 46 on CoinMarketCap with 932,000 people having Mana on their watch list. If you want to buy or sell some Mana tokens deep in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run, you can do that on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on KuCoin, on Kraken, on Bitfinex, on Uniswap, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Mana tokens right there. Now, if you quickly take a look at Mana's performance against Bitcoin. This bear market, we have seen huge dumps to Goblin Town. We have seen Mana lose more than 83% of its value against Bitcoin. We have not still gone lower than where we were trading on December 22nd, 2022. So we might just see Mana continue pumping to the upside. We might see 100 or a 200% pump to the upside for Mana against Bitcoin. Altcoins have been dumping against Bitcoin since January of 2023. At some point in time, we're going to see those altcoins rally. We're deep down in the bear markets. There's no arguments about that. Right now, we're just navigating our way, getting ready for the next bull run. Our smart investors right now in the market are currently accumulating heavily, getting ready for the next bull run. So even though the altcoin season index is telling us right now on the monthly time frame, altcoins are not doing well and they might do well in the coming days and the coming weeks, let's not forget We're deep down in the bear market, and the bear market is primarily for accumulation, getting ready for when we see huge pumps to the upside in a bull market. There's still greed in the cryptocurrency market. We're still seeing greed in the market. Greed has been in the market since last week. We saw the market go through extreme fear when prices were real down bad. Right now, a lot of people are willing to still buy. People are sitting on the sidelines waiting for that pump to the upside. So who will get in first and who will get out second? Are you still going to be buying, or are you going to be selling when we see that pump comes to the upside? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
7